Right then, who have we got here? I see Doug.
It's nobody special, he's French. It's Patrick.
Yes, we've seen Patrick. Doug, don't be mean, you know you love Patrick really.
I do.
Yeah. So I do believe it's a special day today.
It is. This is his birth of his guitar.
Yes. Right then, Patrick, dive in. Or do you want to say anything?
I'm holding it left-handed because it looks that way round.
Should we have some?
It's actually that way round.
Maybe we should have some fireworks going off, or you could have.
That's the way it's round.
I even brought a strap.
Ah.
Okay. So there it is.
Jolly
Got
good.
Fender pickups, humbucker ones.
Very neat.
Okay. Very low action. Because he's only got little fingers, he can't press them down very hard.
Big fat one.
Either that or the nuts broke and the strings have collapsed.
Okay. So as you can see, it's very low action.
What's the weight then?
Huh?
What's the weight now that everything's on?
It's not very heavy.
Did he specify a maximum weight like 8 pounds?
No.
No, he didn't. Watch you don't bang it into that guitar.
I think Doug did say something. What's the story behind that logo on the headstock?
That's I used to have make parts for racing motorcycles.
Oh yeah.
Land speed record.
Ah, very good. Yeah.
I designed the logo.
Yeah.
Design.
Very good.
Well, you've hidden a bit your
Yeah, you've not missed a bit of mine off because these machine heads are so big.
Yeah, no, the proper size. It just fits it.
Don't you think you could have foreseen that happening?
You'd have thought, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Pre-planned. I just stuck that on and then lacquered it, and then these fit covered
Well,
over it.
I guess it's a good job you're not a seasoned professional.
Because normally on the fenders, they're much nearer, they're nearly on the fender.
That's
nearly
right,
touching the side.
Yeah, but that was your plan. That's where they put them.
No, it's nice.
Yes.
Covers well. No,
Yes.
I like it.
What's the rationale for that then?
The what?
The rationale
For what?
for not having them closer to the top of the headstock?
Because they gave me a plan.
It's a
I'll show
design.
you.
It's a design.
Oh, okay, yeah, that where the holes are going to go.
Straight.
Common sense,
Yeah,
I
so
use-
they're exactly
I
straight.
didn't use
on
my
them.
own common sense. I
Okay,
used the
yeah,
plan.
it makes sense, yeah.
I followed the plan, which is this.
Yeah, no, he just showed me.
Have you seen this?
Totally get it.
There you go. That's where they marked them out.
Yeah.
So I just copied it.
Well, it's because
I
obviously
didn't use my brain, I just used my eyes.
the holes are sort of totally straight.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there we
So
are.
the string out.
I just followed the original plan, and that's it.
I wasn't sure about that.
There's the map.
That's fitted nicely.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure of it.
Oh,
So there it is, that's what I copied, and then we recontoured and reshaped everything to suit Patrick. So that's that.
Very nice.
quite like those volume tone knobs.
They're very old-fashioned.
Yeah, they are old-fashioned. They're 50s, aren't they?
Who got those little like
Rivets, that's me. I
is it?
supplied this.
Oh, very good. I like them. Good idea.
This motorcycle plate rivets.
Take note, Doug.
Put your
Very
hands.
nice. They're not stepped, are they, or anything?
No, they
No.
just screw
Shame,
them.
shame they...
It's like little rivet.
Does
You got
anybody-
like a screw.
Yeah.
Just
What
bang them in.
if anybody's ever had a like stepped volume and tone, like click, click, 1 to 10. I like those little rivet things, do you, Doug?
Yeah.
Nice, aren't they?
I've done everything.
It's very nice.
Okay, quite well. I quite like it. Thank you very much, Doug.
He's got the money now, so it's too late.
Yes, too late.
I don't even know what he's given me, some money.
Well,
Pound, I think there is in here by the feel of
not
it.
euros.
Pound.
It's not
Well,
euros.
he's, not, he's used to clumps of like the 10,000 bundles, Doug is.
So the neck is beautiful if you ever want to have a feel of that.
I'm
It's lovely and slender.
not going to put my grubby hands on it.
No.
It's. I take it you'll be taking this Wednesday,
Yes.
Patrick.
Yes.
Give it a blast.
Yeah, we'll give it a go.
Do you want to hear it?
Go on then.
Does look lovely. I'm not just saying that.
That's not right.
Doody doo.
That's the treble pickup now. That's the bass pickup. And that's both. nice.
Do some slapping, Doug.
I can't do slapping, I'm not a bass player.
I'm not doing slapping either.
No, it's okay. I was hoping.
I mean, we could raise the action a little bit if you wanted, but it plays okay. No, it rings out. It's just. But it is a very low action. Okay.
That should suit my fingers.
That bottom E sounds tight.
Eh?
Bottom E sounds nice and tight.
Yeah. Yep. So it's nice. It's a good sound, isn't it? It's a good bass sound, that.
Yeah, it's nice looking.
And you can play up through there, look. So there you go.
Have to put the
Do
strap.
you want to have a sit down?
Or give me the strap.
Where's he going now?
No idea.
There's no dancing. There's
No
no
idea,
dancing
no
allowed
idea.
in there.
Straps here. Very nice. Giving that okay, snake skin effect.
Yeah, it's good.
I like your strap. I like your strap with that engine thing on it.
You what?
I like your strap with this.
Yes, it's my favorite Harley engine.
Yeah, you're big into bikes, aren't you?
Model K.
Model K.
Yeah, 1950, 52 to 56.
I take it you've not got one.
I've got two.
Two? I thought you were going to tell me they're like rare as hen's teeth and worth about $500,000 each.
No, they're not. It's American and Harley still exists, so they're not worth anything.
Well, who are those two guys used to go around in a van? American pickers?
Oh yeah.
He'd come across some old Harley engine and say, oh, it'd be worth like quite a bit of money. Very early. It's quite. It's actually quite. I quite like the look of this. I'm not just saying this, but I like the upside down element of it.
Hello? Hey? Hello?
What kind of bass you got at home? What kind of bass amp have you got?
I've got a shit amp.
Shit amp, but that's hard to
Chase
market.
or
A shit
something.
amp, yeah.
A shit amp, a chase or something. I have a rarely paid.
What do you play more when you go out? Do you play more when you go out?
I never practice. Terrible.
You must be related to Doug. He never practices, and then when he plays terribly,
yeah, he's done it for so
he gets
long,
annoyed.
it's okay. Me, I've, you know,
But you must know Road to Hell.
Road to Hell, how does that go?
Done it a million times with Doug.
I know, but I've never played with Doug doing that.
Well, you know. Anyway, so tell you what, listen, we'll end the video here. So what do you think? Are you reasonably happy? Are you looking for partial refund?
No.
Full refund?
No refund needed.
No refund needed. How about...
Little lab alone, they go quite well, I think.
Actually, I quite like them, actually.
They call them, it's not hemorrhoids, it's pearloids.
Airloids, yeah.
Or ivoroids.
I know it sounds daft, but those things make it for me. I just love those little rivety things.
Well,
you put
little,
in.
yeah.
Nice,
I
nice
had a
touch.
satellite bass, and what they had is that little thing like this, just there.
Yeah, oh
So
yeah.
that's a good idea. I replace them with rivets.
Yeah.
Because basically I've got a right-hand version of this, which is a satellite.
Well, the models, you mean the brand satellite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same, which are re-sculptured.
Yeah. Ah, okay. Because this is based on a, is it a P51? You said a P51 Telecaster.
It's not a Telecaster.
Well, no, but it was inspired originally by the shape of a.
No, the precision, the first precision bass.
Yeah, which was P51.
PJ, yeah.
Yeah. As played by Sting, apparently.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a 57 or something. An old.
Well, it doesn't resemble the Precision anymore, does it? But
Well, I do it the other way.
Is that all right for you? Are you passionate on me stealing?
he's gonna get one of those ZZ Top straps where he can rotate it, so he can play left-handed, then right-handed, just twizzles it around. I'll check with it.
It isn't too low for you, is it, the action? Hello, Patrick. Is it too low for you? Is it all right?
That's come past.
Yeah.
No, that will teach me to play on the frets and not in the middle. See what I mean?
In you go, Doug. Type in.
Okay.
Shall we? What's your favourite part of this bass, Doug?
Sorry?
What's your favourite part of the bass?
Getting the money for it. It's lovely bass.
Nobody said it isn't.
I think it will need coming back in a couple of weeks when it's settled, just to reset it, just to give it a final settle.
Yeah.
Because it's just, I've only set it up preliminary, so we can have it today.
But you won't move to
I want it just to set in because the truss rod's not doing anything at the moment.
Yeah.
But it's a two-way, so we can bend it forward.
What's that?
It's even consider it's so thin. It's the
size irons.
Oh, the
It's
neck.
really thin.
Yeah.
and but it hasn't pulled forward at all.
It would be quite strong, the wood, or very old.
Well, it's
Yeah,
very
How
old.
old was it?
It's the same as me. Very old wood.
How much was it?
Well, I've had that purple heart in now. I think I had that. It's at least 30 years old. It's been here. Same as the wenge in the middle. The maple's at least 20 odd years old since it's been here.
Yeah.
So it's really, really rigid, the wood is.
Yeah.
It's only a very thin cutout for the truss rod.
Was the neck cut in half and reversed?
Everything.
Just usual.
Yeah.
I like that bridge as well.
The bridge is good, isn't
No,
it?
it's chrome with brass
This one.
Yeah, it's good.
saddles. Yeah, it's nice.
I think it's
That's the only-
stainless, isn't
I
it?
wanted one with this was together, but
I think it's stainless, isn't it?
Well, yes. It's
laser cut, I can see that.
Yeah.
It's quite neat.
no, I mean,
It's not been stamped, it's laser cut.
I think the bridge with its chrome and brass works really well with the colour of the wood.
Yeah.
All the stuff on the guitar works. They all work well together.
I mean, there were nearly 500 quid of bits on the guitar.
Yeah.
Between us,
Yeah.
for the bits. They're not too shy. I didn't know what to buy at pots. But
It's fine.
it's fine. So
Yeah.
they're going to be okay.
Yeah.
It's smooth enough action. You don't feel any grating. You can always change them later.
Very nice.
It's stiff. It's new.
It's
Excellent.
I like it very much.
You know what? You might be in danger of actually going home and practicing.
Yeah, I might.
no, that'll not.
It might not.
There's no need for that kind of behaviour.
Patrick's just told me earlier when you were out
I
that
never practice.
I want a photograph of it, Patrick, with you.
Go on then. Just put the strap back on.
do you want the master, i.e. me, to take a picture of you and him with the bass, or just Patrick?
In a minute, I've got to get this bloody camera working. It won't come on, the bloody bastarding thing.
Christ.
Well, no, it won't come on. That's it.
Hang on, there's a 3-year-old child walking past. Look.
I know.
I'll get him in to help you.
But, well, I always need 3-year-old child's help. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There you go. Lovely.
You have to send it to
Should we take a lovely picture of you and him with the bass, or
Okay.
should you not bother?
Go on.
What's that? Patrick says no.
No, that's fine.
No, you're fine.
I don't
Okay,
mind
right, just,
the next
let me just stop.
ugly bastard,
I'll stop.
but, it makes me look better.
You need to come back more,
the
you
thing
do.
is, I'm beautiful, he's ugly, but he can't sing, I can't do fuck
Yeah,
all.
good, handsome, sophisticated Patrick and
Yes,
the
that's right.
beast. Yeah.
The beast.
Oh my God, it's not ending in fisticuffs.
Oh, fuck's sake, get on with it, will you?
And also, we've
You're not
verified it.
aiming there, is that seeing?
I'm still
all?
videoing. I've got to end the video, then I'll take a picture.
Well, do your video ending
Okay,
then.
well, thanks. So let's say goodbye.
Fuck off.
Goodbye.